Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I have a collective haul. I found things on sale at Target, Walmart, Ross, and Amazon. Before I get started, I wanted to say one thing about doll collecting. I feel like when you are a doll collector and you watch like YouTube videos, you feel like you always have to run out and get the doll right away. But in reality, it's not realistic to like really try and get every doll that comes out as soon as it comes out. And I find that it makes the hobby more stressful than fun. So just try to remember that it's fine to just wait and buy your dolls when they're on sale. Okay, with that being said, let's get to the haul. First, I'll start with what I got from Target. I got these new XoX Kweenie figurines. These are new figurines by Moose Toys. I got them last week from Target with the Target sale that they do a few times a year. The sale is buy 40 get 10 off or buy 75 and get 20 off. This is the Fearless collection. You can collect 13 different figures from this collection. Each figure comes with a display case and a collector's card. Here's the 13 figures you can collect in this series. There's also a special limited edition rare figure. There's only 1,000 of the rare figures made, so finding that one would be really fun. I also got 8 of the Corky Queens collection. I placed 2 different orders to get the discount on both the sets. I used the buy 75, get 20 off. That made them $7.49 each before taxes. I'm sure Target will do that deal again, so if you want these figures with that deal, just keep an eye out on Target online for that sale that they always do. This series also comes with 13 figures and a rare figure. I also went online and bought this Comic-Con limited edition one. I really like the color scheme of this one. Yeah, I'm really excited to see how well these do. I think they're really fun and cute. Next, I got these LOL surprise dolls. These are the Crayola ones. I really liked these when they came out. I like that they were very simple and monochromatic. I also used the spend 75, get $20 off on these. These were on sale for $7.99. I bought 10 and got $20 off. Plus I had $11.20 in Target Circle Reward cash. So that made each ball come out to be $4.89. Next from Target, I started to get a little FOMO on a couple of the older Illy dolls. I was trying to wait for them to go on sale, but actually they did go on sale, but they were like $14.99 or something like that. And I like to pay $10 each for them. So I waited and I never saw them go on sale again. So I could continue to wait, but I've done that before and missed out on a couple of dolls. So I decided to go ahead and pay regular price for them, or close to regular price. The Minnie Mouse one was $20.79. And the Frozen one was $29.99. Total came out to be $54 with tax. So that made them like $25 each. I'm okay with that, just as long as I don't have to pay like eBay prices. So I went ahead and got them. So yeah, that's the downside to waiting for sales. if you don't pay attention to when they go on sale, you may miss the sale. But they usually stay on sale for, at least a week or so. And these two dolls I really, really wanted, so I don't like take chances on the ones that I really, really want. Because I have missed out on a few dolls. So now I just go ahead and buy them. Next I got Nenea's luau dress. I found this dress on base at the exchange for $12.95. I also found this Snoopy My Life set at Walmart for $5. This set is really cute. These are the newer packs of My Life 18-inch doll clothes. They're not really on sale. I don't know why this one was on sale, but you can expect them to be $5 when they do go on sale. So I would say probably after Christmas, unless they get new stuff in for Christmas, then they may go on sale before Christmas. But yeah, I found this set for $5. Super cute. Okay guys, I'm still finding Bratz dolls at Walmart for $7 each. I really love buying the older Bratz dolls because they come with the second outfits. You can also find these dolls at Ross. They're a little bit more expensive at Ross, but they're there. Next, I found the Wednesday Addams doll. I paid full price for her. I also got the Morticia and Wednesday doll from Mattel Creations. I found this Jade Slime doll online at Walmart for $10. I also found the purple slime doll for $10 at Dirt Cheap. I also found this Wicked Glenda doll. Her box was crushed at Walmart. So she was discounted $17.49, which made her $22.48. I thought this was a really good deal for a new collector's doll. I'll be unboxing her anyway, so I really don't care that the box was crushed. Oh my gosh, guys, guess who I found? This is one of the dolls that I waited for a sale, and all of a sudden she was gone. She wasn't in the stores. Like, I don't know what happened to Delilah. I don't know if they made like only a few of her, or she was just that popular where they made a lot of her, but she still sold out. But yeah, I basically thought I would never get her. But then I heard that a lot of people was finding her again at Ross. My town has a total of about 4 Rosses. So I went one week. I went to all 4 and they didn't have her. 2 stores did have Mila. I already had her, so I didn't get her. And then we went again the next week and we still didn't find her. And then the 3rd week we went again. This time she was there. There was 2 of them. As you can see, I did get them both. But yeah, as you can see, the 2 that I got, their hair is a little bit different. Like this one is really curly. And then the other one is like curly, but like straighter. I will be going back looking for Leela. I think she's the purple one. If I do find her, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, maybe they'll restock her. You never know. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.